Hi guys, this tutorial purpose of Stackfood. In few days, we facing some issue with our web app is still loading, but the interface is not coming to view. Okay, that's the issue we facing. For now, we need to fix it. So at first, open the web app subdomain in browser. After open, inspect the element and find the issue. First, the issue is coming. Actually, this issue coming from the cross policy issue that's are blocked by the server. Okay, now open the file manager, the server file manager. Then open the admin panel where you installed in your subdomain like dashboard or admin.com, your domain.com, like that. Okay, now open and edit the htaccess file and remove this code. After remove this code, save and reload the browser. It will be fixed.